Welcome. Today's guide walks you through a simple but powerful trick on WhatsApp. How to hide your About section so no one can see it. Whether you're looking for a little more privacy or just prefer to keep your profile clean and minimal, these easy steps will help you get it done in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. This is your menu button. Give it a tap, a small menu will drop down. From here, select Settings. This will open a new screen that gives you control over your account preferences, including chats, notifications, and privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. This is where all your personal options live, the ones that control who can see your profile photo, your status updates, and of course, your About section. Now, scroll until you see the option labeled About and tap it. You'll notice a few choices appear here. Everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. These determine who can see your About information. To completely hide your About from everyone, select Nobody. The moment you choose this option, your About disappears from all your contacts' views. Only you will be able to see it from now on. And that's it, you've successfully hidden your About on WhatsApp. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference for your privacy and digital peace of mind. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps and switch it back to everyone or my contacts. That flexibility is what makes WhatsApp's privacy tool so handy. You stay in full control of your personal information. Thanks for watching.